Hola, felices fiestas a todos. En esta video vamos a mirar la segunda parte del verbo ser y estar. Es como una continuación del video anterior. Cómo hacemos frases negativas, interogativas y afirmativas con el verbo ser y estar. Affirmatives. First, we start with the subjects, which are the personal pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they, okay? And later, we come in with the verb to be, are or is, the adjective or the noun. Interogativas. These are questions. So here, the structure changes completely. The verb to be comes in front, first position. The subject pronouns goes to the middle, to the center. And the noun or the adjectives comes at the end. So if you look at the affirmative, we say, I am a doctor. Now here, with the interrogatives, con los interrogativas, decimos, are you a doctor? Como ves, la posición ha cambiado. Are you a doctor? Is she your friend? Are you siblings? Respuesta aquí puede ser, yes, I am. Yes, we are. Yes, she is. Los negativos. The negatives. También la posición va a cambiar otra vez. Vamos a tener los sujetos, subject pronouns, I, el verbo to be, am, are, is, y tenemos el negativo, not, y el verbo o a noun or adjectivo. For example, I'm not a doctor. She is not my sister. Or she isn't my sister. Entonces aquí, depende de la situación, tú puedes decir en la forma, corta forma o larga forma. And not is very important. Es muy importante. I'm not a doctor. I am not a doctor. She is not my friend. She isn't my friend. We are not siblings. We aren't siblings. So these are the negatives, interrogatives, and affirmative forms of the verb to be.